first reactions you're picking up from the party office?
नहीं, मैसेज जो है वो जब हम वुमेन एम्पावरमेंट की बात करते हैं और बहुत बढ़िया तरीके से काम होंगे दिल्ली में उनकी लीडरशिप में।
जी
लगातार
Mehndi, if you're able to hear me, you're getting those reactions there. I think you were speaking with Kailash Gehlot. Tell us what the first reactions you're picking up from on ground there are.
Yes, Uday, right now. Yes, Uday, right now all the party leaders and the newly appointed MLAs are coming out of the meeting and you can see the visuals, and we have talked to Kailash Gehlot exclusively, and not only Kailash Gehlot, Kamaljeet Sehrawat and also, Mohan Singh Bisht. Everyone is very happy of choosing the women face as their chief minister, and you can see the visuals as well, and we'll try to talk to more people there because right now the reactions are continuously coming and the MLAs are coming out of the, the meeting. You can see Bansuri Swaraj has also come out right now. We'll try to talk to her as well, that what she thinks of choosing the women CM right now. So you can see that Bansuri Swaraj is giving her statement, and we'll try to talk to her as well. There you can see, all the party leaders are coming outside, and Rekha Gupta has been chosen as the chief minister right now. So we'll try to talk to Bansuri Swaraj right now. There you can see that we are with Bansuri Swaraj, and everybody is very happy right now of choosing Rekha Gupta as the chief minister, and the party leaders are saying that it will be a very big message from the Bharatiya Janata Party. Ma'am, we'll try to talk to her, Uday, right now. Bansuri Swaraj is with us, and we'll try to have a statement from her on choosing women Rekha Gupta as the chief minister for the national capital. You can see that the excitement is overall. Ma'am, how do you see women face chosen as the CM?
I am elated, and many congratulations to my elder sister Rekha Gupta जी. मैं जानती हूँ कि वो विकास का एक नया अध्याय दिल्ली में रेखांकित करेंगे आदरणीय प्रधानमंत्री श्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी के कुशल नेतृत्व में. Thank you.
What message BJP is trying to give to the people of Delhi by choosing a women face?
विकास विकास और विकास.
Right now, so we exclusively talked with MP Bansuri Swaraj, and you can see the excitement over her face as well, that BJP has chosen Rekha Gupta for development. These were the words of